Hello. You ever wonder what's included in regular landscape maintenance service? That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. And first of all, most of our clients hire us either on a weekly, 2-week, or 4-week basis. Anything less frequent than that, we usually just do quarterly cleanups and that sort of thing as will calls when clients contact us, and we just do a full cleanup. Now, what's included in our regular maintenance, first of all, is we trim a section of the plants and trees up to 8 feet in height, meaning we go through the entire yard. Maybe we'll pick a section of the property to focus on the trees and plants in that particular area, since not every tree and plant will need to be trimmed every 2-week or 4-week cycle or weekly cycle. So we break the yard up into sections. And then we go around and we blow all the leaves and all the landscape debris and pick it all up, or we blow it into the yard. And then we mow and edge all turf areas. We spot spray for weeds, and we also check and adjust all the irrigation throughout the year. Now, we always look for wet spots where the irrigation might be pooling if there's some sort of leak, and we also test the system to make sure there's no damages on the irrigation after the service. Now, obviously, on an initial cleanup, the first time, or a quarterly cleanup, we're going to trim all the bushes and trees up to 8 feet in height on that first visit, so that it gets it all cut up on the first service. Or if you're having a quarterly done, every 2 to 3 months when you want to get the whole yard cleaned up for a special occasion. I'll be sure to include a link to our full description of what all our disclosures are, and I'll also add a link to several examples of before and after pictures of properties that we've cleaned up throughout the valley, just throughout the last year. Please feel free to contact us directly online through our website at azlawns.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.